Hi guys, Mr. Hayes here, Head of Food at George Salter. I'm just here today to talk you through the A-level WJEC Food Science and Nutrition Diploma course. So I'll hand over to Virtual Me to talk you through the course. Hello and welcome to an overview of the Level 3 Food Science and Nutrition course. I'm going to just talk you through the units that you'd be expected to complete over the 2 years. Unit 1, meeting the needs of specific groups, is a coursework assessment and a 90-minute exam. Unit 2, ensuring food is safe to eat, that is an 8-hour exam. It's like a mini piece of coursework under exam conditions. And Unit 3, experimenting to solve food production problems, that is another piece of coursework. Unit 1 we tend to do in Year 12, and then in Year 13, Unit 2 and Unit 3. So Unit 1, meeting the needs of specific groups, this is the coursework part of it, and you will be given a brief. So you can choose from option A, B or C, and they all are quite similar in that you have to design and make a 3-course meal focused around your target group. So it could be people that are health conscious, children, or students at university. You've got to do a lot of research into what they should be eating, why they should be eating it, how their lifestyle might affect their food choices, and design a suitable meal. So this one is very much nutrition based. And then the exam section of Unit 1 is split into 3. You've got your Section A, which is just basic knowledge recall, questions about functions of nutrients, functions of vitamins, food poisoning, health and safety. Then you've got some longer questions in Section B, focused around the food production methods, fortification, the chemistry of different nutrients. And then Section C is worth over half marks of the whole paper, and it's a case study that you can see in the bottom right hand corner. So you'll get given a profile of someone that's got a certain medical condition. In this case, it's anemia, and an example of their daily diet, and you've got to analyse what's happening with them, suggest a new diet, justify it, and write a little analysis. So that's Unit 1, that's what you do in Year 12. So Unit 2, you'll be looking at in Year 13, and this is ensuring food is safe to eat. So this whole unit is based around food safety. So you look at hazards and risks, storage, guidance, preparation, cooking of food, how to do it safely, and how to minimise the risks. You also look at certain legislation, and for the exam you get given a scenario that you have to respond to. So this one is about a burger stall at a large music event, and to support them you've got to design a food safety resource to be used as part of their staff training, and a food safety risk assessment for them to follow. Now, like I said, that is assessed in an 8-hour exam. You are allowed to take in notes, so any class notes that you've got, you're allowed to take in, but it is quite a strict timed assessment. So that's Unit 2. And then the last one is Unit 3, experimenting to solve food production problems. And the aim of this one is to look at the properties of food and how they work together. So you'll basically be given another scenario. So it might be about festive buns, quiches, or ice cream, and they've got some sort of issue with them. So if we look at the quiche one, for example, it says the pastry is soggy, it's got a rubbery texture, and the quiche has got poor flavour. So you'll have to carry out lots of investigations, science experiments as to why that might be happening. Why is the pastry soggy? Why is there a rubbery texture? So really break down the product, decide why that's happening, experiment to find out how you can sort the problem out, and then make suggestions to the company for a new recipe with justification linked back to your original findings. So those are the 3 units that you'll be doing. Some of the briefs do change year on year, so we can never be exactly sure what they are. So it might not be the examples I've given you today, but it'll be very, very similar. And that's it. That's the course in a nutshell. But if you've got any more questions, then please get in touch. Thank you.